A lot of things that XSEED has been doing, they were already doing before it came into N.E.P. with a lot of creativity quotient high in it, with a lot of higher order thinking skills being focused on, questions being focused on, and then technology being blended in.
I'm actually very, very happy with the N.E.P. They're talking about an engaging curriculum. They're talking about critical thinkers. It validates that we are on the right track. This is the way ahead. A thinking child doesn't have a thinking class. It is in everything that you do and you ask and you wish to know.
With XSEED, our teachers are being pushed to be better. It helps us shorten our work because of the tools that XSEED provides us.
During the pandemic phase, my school was also facing challenges to begin with, but the children on how they are answering questions, how they are able to creatively think, those things did not change, which I'm very happy about. And then we had the Super Teacher app, and the parents saw what was happening in the XSEED class during the online phase. So now I have pretty much increased strength because of XSEED.